A full-text index in MySQL is a specialized type of index used for performing text searches on large text fields. It's primarily used for searching natural language phrases or words within text columns, such as text, varchar, or char data types. Full-text indexing is available in MySQL's InnoDB and MyISAM storage engines. Key features of full-text index. 1. Word-based searching. Unlike regular indexes that work with exact values, full-text indexes are optimized for searching words within text content. They break down the text into individual words, allowing you to search for specific terms or phrases across large blocks of text. 2. Natural language search. A natural language search interprets the meaning of a search query based on the context of words. This type of search ranks results by relevance, meaning the query looks for how closely the words in the search string match the words in the indexed text. 3. Boolean mode search. Full-text searches can be done in Boolean mode, where you use special operators like plus, nas, and to include or exclude certain words, search for exact phrases, or emphasize specific terms. For example, SQL selector from articles where match, title, body against plus MySQL tutorial in Boolean mode. This query searches for records containing the word MySQL, but excludes results with tutorial. 4. Full-text search functionality. Full-text search functionality is provided through the match and against functions. The match function specifies the columns to search, while against contains the search term. For example, SQL selector from articles where match, title, body against database optimization. This searches the title and body columns for records that contain the words database and optimization. 5. Relevance ranking. MySQL calculates the relevance of search results by how often search terms appear in the text. The more often a word appears, the higher the relevance score. Words that appear too frequently across all records, like the or is, are automatically ignored or given less weight. 6. Stopwords. MySQL has a list of stopwords, common words such as they, a, in, that are ignored during full-text searches. You can customize the list of stopwords if necessary. If a search query only includes stopwords, MySQL returns no results. 7. Indexing large text. Full-text indexes are designed for searching large amounts of textual data efficiently. Without a full-text index, searches through large text columns would be slow because MySQL would need to scan the entire table. Full-text indexing speeds up this process by indexing individual words and their positions in the text. 8. Limitations. Full-text indexes are not available for every storage engine, but they are fully supported in InnoDB and MyISAM. Full-text searches work best with larger text datasets. For small datasets or short text fields, a full-text index may not provide significant performance gains.